Welcome back. Day 49. The Higher Self Guidance System. How to receive, understand, and act on the inner intelligence that always knows the right direction. Humans feel lost because they rely only on logic, emotion, fear, society, opinions, ego, mind, noise. But destiny is not encoded in the mind. Destiny is encoded in the higher self. Let's build the system that reconnects humans to their deepest truth. 1. The four languages of the higher self. Your higher self does not communicate with words. It speaks through four subtle languages. 1. Sensation. The body feels expansion to yes, contraction, no, openness, right, tightness, wrong. Your nervous system is your compass. 2. Intuition. A sudden inner knowing. This feels right. This is not for me. I already know the answer. Intuition is truth without thinking. 3. Synchronicity. Synchronicity. Meaningful coincidences. Right people, right opportunities, right timing, right signals. Destiny aligns reality around you. 4. Resonance. Your soul vibrates at curiosity, gratitude, excitement, calmness, inner pull. Resonance equal to destiny calling. 2. The five guidance channels AME.X model. Your higher self guides you in five ways. 1. The pull. You feel drawn towards something. Your future is calling you. 2. The block. Doors close, delays happen, things feel heavy. This is protection. 3. The echo. A message repeats. Same idea, same theme, same symbol, same opportunity. Life is emphasizing something. Life is emphasizing something. 4. The whisper. You hear quiet internal truth. You deserve better. Let go. Move. Stay. Whispers come from higher self. 5. The alignment click. Everything feels smooth, light, easy, right, effortless. This is destiny alignment. 3. The 7 signs you are ignoring higher guidance. Humans suffer when they ignore 1. Tight chest. 2. Anxiety around decision. 3. Repeating mistakes. 4. Constant resistance. 5. Feeling drained. 6. Feeling confused. 7. Feeling disconnected. These are warning signals. 4. The 5 signs you are following higher guidance. 1. You feel calm. 2. You feel light. 3. You feel clear. 4. You feel guided. 5. You feel grounded. This is alignment. 5. The higher self decision protocol. Whenever you are confused, step 1. Silence. Drop into 0. Step 2. Breath. Slow exhale. Step 3. Body truth. Ask your body, does this feel open or tight? The body never lies. Step 4. Intuition check. Ask, what do I already know inside? Step 5. Alignment check. Ask, does this match my highest self? Does this match my highest self? If yes, then move. If no, then stop. 6. The higher self timing code. This is life changing. Not every no means never. Some no's mean not this way, not right now, not with these people. Life is not punishing you, life is preparing you. Timing is sacred. 7. The 3 types of guided decisions. 1. Guided yes. Feels open, light, peaceful. Move immediately. 2. Guided no. Feels heavy, tight, draining. Stop immediately. 3. Guided wait. Feels unclear, mixed, foggy. Pause. Clarity will arrive naturally. Clarity will arrive naturally. This prevents 90% of life mistakes. 8. The higher self alignment ritual. Do this when stuck. 1. Sit still. 2. Close eyes. 3. Hand on chest. 4. Whisper internally. Show me the truth. 5. Breath. 6. Observe sensation. 7. Feel the answer. Truth always appears when calmness enters. 9. The higher self mantra. Repeat. My higher self guides me. My intuition protects me. My path is clear. My direction is aligned. I am guided by truth. I am the calm warrior. This installs guidance consciousness. Thank you, brothers and sisters.
If this resonated, you already know what to do. You already know what to do.